Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to computer class level 4 APS Middle Bahawalpur. Module number 1 creating a document and its task number 2 search and replace. Today we are going to learn page number 14. Learning objectives. Students will be able to search for and replace the word or phrase with another one. Hands-on activity page number 14. Type the following text and try to replace the words below with synonyms from thesaurus: voyage, reached, famous, explored. Captain James Cook was a famous explorer. He was born in England in 1728. In 1768, he went to his first voyage to the South Seas. On April 19, 1770, he reached and explored the east coast of Australia. Cook named the place he reached first Point Hicks after one of his sailors. Students, you have to type the given text in Microsoft Word and replace the above mentioned words like voyage, reached, famous, explored with their synonyms. Now watch the video and see how we can find any word and replace it with their synonyms or any other word. First of all, students, we have to type the text in Microsoft Word. Then we are going to find the word voyage on the Home tab by clicking on Editing Group. When you click in Find, a navigation bar will appear where you type word voyage. When you type the word voyage there, it will be highlighted in your text. The next, we are going to find the word reached in our text and we are going to replace it with its synonym, which is arrived. First of all, we go to Editing Group and find word. In front of find word, we typed reached. The word reach is 2 times in our text. It is highlighted in yellow color. Now we are going to replace word reach with its synonyms like arrived. We are going to type word arrived there. You have to type word arrived in front of replace with. Then you will click on replace all because there is 2 times word reached in our text. Yes, okay. Now you will see that the word reached is replaced with the word arrived. The next, same like we have to do with the word famous and explored. Yes, now we can also open dialog box. Find and replace dialog box by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+H. Ctrl+H is a shortcut key to open find and replace dialog box. When you press Ctrl+H, this dialog box will appear on your screen. Now we are going to replace the word voyage with passage. Now we click on replace, it will automatically the word voyage will replace with new word passage. The next same you have to do to replace word explored to its synonym. Then you will do the same activity to replace word famous with its synonyms. Boys, if you make any mistake in your text and you want to correct it, or if some text is deleted by you and you want to get it back, with undo command you can easily get it back. Undo is a feature of computer program which allow a user to cancel or reverse the last command executed. With undo command, you can easily get back your last action, or you can get back your lost sentence, line, or paragraph of your text. The shortcut key of undo is Ctrl plus Z. Now you can see that we are going to replace the word famous with its synonyms, which is reputable. In find word, in dialog box in front of find word, we type word famous and replace it with reputable and click on replace option. You can see the word will automatically replace. Yes, Captain James Cook was a reputable explorer. Boys, if you want to get back, you want to reputable instead of famous, you can just click on the quick access bar on the undo command. You have to just click over there. Your last executed command will automatically be there on your screen. Now remember, Ctrl plus H is the shortcut key to open find and replace.